Hey guys, welcome back. Sorry about that. Last time my video player kind of quit unexpectedly on me there, but I'm back, and let's go ahead and wrap this chapter up. We talked last time about the cancer cells and tumors having the ability to metastasize or form a metastasis, where due to altered recognition proteins or weakened adhesion, they break away from the tumor, they float around in the blood vessels, and they give you cancer somewhere else. We said that's a pretty bad thing. Benign neoplasm grows in one place, grows real slow, stays in one place. On the other hand, your malignant neoplasms here break away from the original cluster of cells that we're calling this tumor. They can get into a blood vessel, float along with the blood vessel. They can release some digestive enzymes to actually eat away a little hole in that blood vessel wall. They can escape out into a new tissue. And now you have cancer here and here. And that could be anywhere. They could be depositing this. So it makes it a very tricky situation because once you have cancer that's metastasizing, then we no longer just have skin cancer that we're trying to cure or fix. Now we have skin cancer and also liver cancer and also lung cancer. So once it starts to move, it can become very tricky. So are there some things we can do to reduce the risk of these? Of course. Lifestyle choices can reduce the number of mutations you acquire, and that'll reduce your odds of cancer. Not smoking, of course. Avoiding exposure of the unprotected skin to excessive sunlight, stuff like that. Some neoplasms can be detected with periodic screening, like gynecology and dermatology exams, to see if there's any abnormal growths, and just that kind of stuff is checked on a regular basis. And so here's a couple of things you could kind of look out for. This is an example of basal cell carcinoma. It's our most common type of skin cancer, and it's a raised lump, and it looks like a mole, but a really unhealthy mole. So you could that would be an example of a skin cancer. Here's a squamous cell carcinoma. It's our second most common skin cancer. Pink growth, firm to the touch, and it's going to grow under the skin surface. And this is the not so good one. It's black because of all the melanin, and it is called melanoma. It's going to spread the fastest of our skin cancers. The cells form dark, crusty lumps that can itch or bleed easily, and it's those melanocytes. That's the reason it's so black, is they're producing a lot of melanin, and that's not a good one. So here's the end of our chapter. Points to ponder. Where and when do you think mitosis occurs in an organism? What would happen if cytokinesis did not occur in plants and animals? Many of the drugs used in chemotherapy cause loss of hair in the individual. Why do you think that might be? And that's the end of chapter 11. So thanks for hanging in there with me, guys. I'll see you in class.